What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. So happy to see you all again. My name is Anthony Pinto da Costa. You are watching Canadian Physio Student. Good morning, people. So today marks the first day of classes of second year physiotherapy school. AKA for me, my last first day of classes ever. Anyways, today is our longest day of the week. Mondays we have classes from 8:30 to 4. I'll take you guys along with me as I go through the day. Just a quick note about the semester coming up. It's only 6 weeks, which is different from what we're used to. We're used to having 12-week semesters. So this semester, everything's gonna move a lot quicker. Things are gonna come at us a bit faster, but I'm hoping it balances out because we do only have 2 courses this semester. We're learning about pediatrics and we're learning about geriatrics. Definitely 2 areas of physiotherapy that I wanna learn more about because 1, you do encounter them a lot in the clinic, and 2, I just wanna keep building my skill set as a physiotherapist. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna quickly eat my oats here. I'm gonna chug this coffee down, have a little bit of water, and I'll bring you guys along for the day, show you guys what our lectures are like, what our labs are like, everything that I basically promised in the first video. And if you haven't seen the first video, you can click it right here on the screen. Go take a look because that basically tells you what my channel is all about and what I plan to do with this channel. So like I said, guys, gonna have some breakfast and I'll see you guys when we get to class. All right, guys, so we just finished our first lecture, peds. We got, Reed's there. We got an hour break and then it's on to geriatrics.
Was good and you liked it. I was talking with some of the students that moving from pediatrics to geriatrics in 1 hour.
So we're now in our geriatrics lab. We didn't have the lab book, so we're just gonna do it in the classroom right now.
Do it live.
Kieran, you got anything to say?
Not really, no. Just getting ready for day 1, first lab of the year. It's gonna be a good one, I think.
Gio, say hi to the camera. Say hi.
What's going on, guys?
Hey guys, so just got home from the first day of classes. Like I said earlier, this is our longest day of the week. We go from 8:30 to 4. But today was just more introduction type stuff, so it wasn't too bad. Anyways, I'm pretty hungry right now after that day, so I'm gonna get a quick meal in and then I'm gonna show you guys my workout. I was gonna do an outdoor bar workout today, but as you can see, it's a pretty crummy day out there. So I'm definitely not gonna do that, but I do have a lot of equipment here in my apartment that does help me work out from here. So I'll show you guys that in a bit right after I'm done my meal. All right, guys, so feeling energized now. I'm crushing my second coffee of the day. I know you guys saw this in a previous clip, but just take a look at this mug right now. Shout out to my good friend Victoria Sharon for getting me this for my birthday. Anyways, before I get started with the workout here, I'd just like to explain what I usually do for my workouts. So just last summer, I started doing calisthenics. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically just body weight training. So I like to do a lot of pull-ups, dips, push-ups, just the basic body weight exercises that you're used to. Obviously, I add in variations to try and make them harder and just to try and add more load to my muscles. The reason I got into calisthenics is because the gym just started getting a little too boring for me and I felt like I could never keep up with it during the school year. But calisthenics just makes it so easy to work out because you can literally do it anywhere as long as you got a bar and just your body in general. So before I start this workout, I want to show you guys what I have in my apartment that allows me to work out from home. So I have a little bit of a home gym, as you guys can see right here. These 2 black bars here, they're called the Liebert XL equalizers, And basically what I use them for is just dips, whether it be just traditional dips or straight bar dips. You can also use them for a variety of other exercises. It just all matters how you set them up. Right here we got a couple ab rollers. There we got a nice little foam roller, 2 yoga mats. We got our little tube TheraBand. And then of course we got this massive 5-pounder back here. And then if we come over here to the kitchen, we got a doorway pull-up bar. Love this thing. I've had it for about a year now and it's still in great condition. So yeah, that's just the home gym, and it basically just renders any excuse you've ever had not to take care of your body useless, because it keeps you accountable, because it's so convenient, and it's literally right in my living room. I can never not work out, so this is why I love calisthenics. Anyways guys, I'm gonna push the coffee table to the side, finish drinking my coffee here, and I'll show you guys exactly what I do to try and stay fit while not having to go to the gym or having to go to the park.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So as you guys can see, very simple, nothing too crazy, and something that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. Anyways, I'm just gonna get some food into me, and then I'm gonna do some administrative and organizational stuff to prepare for the rest of the school year. Catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, people, so this is what's for dinner tonight. We got some penne pasta with some lentil sauce. And then we just got an assortment of veggies in here. We got some cucumber, peppers, and then some tomato, just dressed with some olive oil, some salt and pepper. So as you can see, very simple. When you can keep it simple, just keep it simple. We got Reed over here.
Healthy boys tonight.
Oh yeah. All right, so I'm gonna eat this quickly, and then me and the roommate are gonna make our schedule for the month. Alright people, so I'll just quickly show you guys what we learned today in class. So I guess we'll start with pediatrics. So same for both courses. It was more of just a course intro. You know, we learned about the foundations of infant motor development. So we learned a lot about the various theories of motor learning and development. We also touched on some of the critical periods in human development and some of the risk factors that can lead to developmental disorders. And then lastly, we covered some of the primitive reflexes that are exhibited in the pediatric population. And I also wanted to show you guys this video. This is a baby jumping inside the womb of its mother. Look at the hops on the kid. Now we'll switch over to geriatrics. So again, it was just a course intro. We learned about the demographics of aging, so lots of stats here, as you can see. And then we also just discussed the implications of the aging population on the Canadian healthcare system. So anyways, people, that is basically the first day in the life of a physiotherapy student vlog. And yeah, that's basically what it's going to be like for the rest of them. I want to still incorporate trying to get some footage in class and lab. I'll try and get more of that for you guys if I can. And then I'm going to continue to summarize what we learned about in class, just to give you guys more of an inside scoop on that. I'm going to keep showing you my exercises. I'll try and incorporate food in there too. And yeah, just show you guys what my life is like as a physiotherapy student in a Canadian program. So you guys know what I'm going to say it every single time. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, of course, smash that subscribe button. If you have any comments, whether they be positive or negative, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm open to all of it. So I'll see you guys next week when I do my next day in the life of a physiotherapy student on Tuesday.
Another day, another dollar to be made. I'm a workaholic, ballin' hard until the grave. Used to wanna be a baller for the NBA, till the fellas around me started dunking in the 7th grade.